Hey guys, it's Kevin here. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Today I'm here to review a Bluetooth earbud set. In today's technology, as phones are getting thinner, most brands have done away with the headphone jack, and so that's kind of forcing everybody to move to Bluetooth. So I kind of was starting to investigate, see what kind of products are out there instead of paying for the high-end Apple products, or I know Samsung makes one too. Although my Samsung phone still has the headphone jack, so that's nice. So today I'm here to talk to you about Zero Fire. It's the T1 model. This is the box here. It's pretty straightforward. Comes in a nice small box, and everything you get in it, it comes with it comes with the manual and then some quick startup guide, and then some questions if you're having kind of problems or anything. A couple of things it comes also with, there's a little bag here that has the various different earpiece sizes. So you can see right there, if you need those. Of course, the ones that came with it fit fine with me. Comes with a small USB standard charger that most devices are. It doesn't have the new one that you're starting to see on the new phones and laptops. Then it comes with this little black pouch to put everything in. And then here is the case. So the earbuds, as you can see, they're in here, and this is how they charge. So you put them in the case, and then this little guy just plugs here in the back. It does not come with a brick, so you got to have a brick. Hopefully, got one laying around, or like me, I have a couple USB outlets, so I just plug it into that. And then you'll see some lights here. I don't know if you can make that out. They'll light up blue when they're ready to go, and green when they're charging, etc. So here are the earbuds themselves. So there's the charger. As you can see, they're real small, very lightweight. They fit very comfortable. I've been kind of impressed with them. They have press buttons on either side. The brand has, these particular case have noise isolation, not noise canceling. So they're not going to be like the big fancy over-the-ear Bose headsets or the Sony headsets. But they do an awesome job canceling out the sound. So they also have, and I think part of that reason is these come with ambient noise cancellation, which I think that kind of helps. So it kind of listens to what's kind of around it and helps cancel it. They charge super fast. When I put them in here, they easily charge within an hour, a couple hours or so. Of course, I usually charge them overnight. I wear them a lot if I go work out or at the office. As far as battery life, I've noticed I can easily get 10 hours out of these things. So I've yet to hit where I've actually ran out of the battery, since I charge them usually every day. But the instructions say they can last for 12 hours, so I'm getting close to that. Like I said, they're lightweight. Also, another thing that they have, they're water resistant. I forget what the number is. I'll put it down in the description of what they call the water resistance. And of course, they say you can shower with them. I have not done that. I don't think I would need to have the headphones in while I'm showering. But hey, you can try it. I would not. They're not waterproof, so no going swimming or doing full immersion of water with these things. So like I said, if you are in the market, you got a new phone, or you just want some wireless earbuds, I would check these out. They're, once again, Zero Fire, the T1 model. I've been really impressed with them. They sound really good, and I'm happy with the purchase. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, please do hit that like button and subscribe. And until the next time, you guys take it easy. Thanks. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.